Acting as principal contractor, we supported First Bus at their Hengrove depot, delivering a fully integrated electric vehicle charging solution and the largest, most ambitious gantry installation undertaken by First Bus to date. Built for scale, the completed infrastructure gives the depot the capability to charge up to 128 electric buses simultaneously, creating a reliable and scalable platform for future fleet growth. A defining feature of the project was the installation of 5 70-metre overhead gantry structures, spanning 18 lanes wide. The gantries house 77 charging points, with 128 charging points delivered across the depot in total, supporting high-powered EV chargers, cable reels, and power banks across the site. This was a major civils and MEP programme, integrating electrical design, power distribution, containment, site lighting, CCTV, access control, and EV-specific line marking across the depot. To support the electrical capacity required for large-scale fleet electrification, our team also delivered 3 feeder panels and managed the installation of 1 RMU and 3 transformers. Works were safely planned around live depot operations, keeping daily bus movements running and the site 100% operational throughout, with zero disruption, on-time delivery, no accidents, and no incidents. The depot now provides a robust, scalable platform to support First Bus's ongoing transition to electric vehicles, ensuring the depot can evolve alongside future fleet, operational and technological requirements. Net zero transport doesn't run on ambition alone. It runs on infrastructure that's reliable, coordinated, and built to last.